Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga for pregnancy. So we are going to start. First, meditate your body, close your eyes, relax yourself. We'll start with Om chant. Let us spread love, happiness, peace, serenity with Om. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale all positivity. Exhale negativity. Observe the flow of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Your mind and body is relaxed. I'm going to teach you simple asana and pranayama for first 3 months of pregnancy for safe and healthy pregnancy. Let us start. First we are doing simple kriya. In simple kriya, you are going to increase the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While inhaling, expand your chest, exhaling, contract your stomach. So let us do one more count. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Mind and body is connected with your breath. So do this simple kriya. It's an excellent kriya for more relaxation. Now we are doing Baddha konasana. How you going to do it? Your soles together, feet together. Hold it like this. This helps to strengthen your muscle and close your eyes for a while. Spine straight, sit straight always. This will help you to ease your pain also. Now let's do second asana. This we call Vajrasana. This is excellent asana for digestion. Very good for constipation and acidity. So sit on your heels properly. Chin mudra. Close your eyes for a minute. Now we'll do Parvatasana. This is also very easy asana. You can do it in Sukhasana or Padmasana, however you're comfortable. So I'm doing in Padmasana. Feet close to your lower abdomen and very slowly raise your hand with proper inhalation. Inhale, very slowly, just raise your hand. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent asana. Now let's do Setu Bandhasana. Setu Bandhasana is also very good asana. It is excellent for strengthening your muscle. So just lie down on the mat. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle very slowly. Raise your body. Do it very slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a side and come up. So this asana is very easy and super relaxing asana, and you are going to see amazing result with this asana. Now I am going to give you a good healthy diet tips also. After 5 we should stop eating oily food. After 5 no salt and sugar, and eat raw vegetables. Take care of yourself. Drink lot of water. Every half an hour we should take half glass of water. That will also help to clear toxins from your body. So this is all the thing we can do, and also you can take advice from your doctor. Always stay healthy, happy and beautiful. Thank you.